Hey, what is going on, guys? If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Nick, and today I'll be talking about how I plan on building 5 different sources of passive income in 2020. One of my biggest passions is truly the thought of being able to develop multiple sources of income throughout my life. But it's also very important to make sure that these streams of income are sustainable and that they won't take up all of my time. So that's why in 2020, I'm deciding to put in all of this hard work while I'm young to be able to develop all of these multiple sources of income, and that'll be completely passive or nearly completely passive for the rest of my life. Whether we're in our 20s or 30s or even our 50s or 60s, passive income is something that all of us need to focus on at some point in our lives. Because when the time comes that we become retired or we physically cannot do any more work, that's when passive income takes over, and it can still provide us a great lifestyle without requiring the effort of a normal job. So in this video, I'll be discussing the 5 different sources of passive income that I personally fully plan on developing by the end of 2020, along with the amounts of money that I plan on earning from each of these sources, along with a step-by-step guide on how to achieve that. So if you guys do enjoy this video, be sure to smash that like button for me to support my channel. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And if you are new here, definitely consider subscribing down below for more weekly content just like this. And so with that said, let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so the first source of passive income that I plan on developing in 2020 is YouTube ad revenue. Now before you dislike this video and say that YouTube ad revenue is not passive income, hear me out. The thing with YouTube is that once you post a video and it stays relevant, like it's timeless, it's always going to be generating that ad revenue provided that it still gets views. And even though you're going to be putting in that initial effort to develop the video by researching the topic, filming, editing the content, etc., that video could be relevant for the next few years, and it could be receiving ad revenue for that long or even longer. Now, to be completely honest with you guys, I really couldn't talk about this topic without giving credit to Graham Stephan, the one who's really inspired me to get on YouTube. Both of his channels combined have been able to generate over $150,000 per month simply in YouTube ad revenue, which is absolutely insane. And all of that comes from the CPM of financial YouTubers being extremely high, upwards of $10 to $30 per 1,000 views. Now in the current state of my channel, I am not monetized yet. I have hit the requirement of 1,000 subscribers, but I still have yet to hit those 4,000 watch hours, and that is a very ugly requirement. But I am currently just over 1,500 hours of watch time, and I hope to achieve monetization in the next 4 to 6 months. Now I have set a goal for myself to be able to achieve $1,000 of YouTube ad revenue within 2020, whether that be from active sources or passive sources on YouTube. Now for those of you out there that have started a channel and you're looking to monetize your content, these are the steps that I'm going to take, and it could be very beneficial to you. Now the first step is to post consistent videos that are going to provide value for the audience. Now by thinking of your YouTube channel as a business, you can think of your subscribers as customers, and it's always good to provide value to your customers, otherwise no one's going to like your business or your products. This really does go for more than just YouTube itself. Like if you're to make a course online and try and sell it, you want to provide value to your audience, otherwise they're not going to buy your course. Now the second step that I'm going to take is to improve my quality of content. I'm continually looking for ways to vary up my content quality and improve it over time so that my viewers don't get bored and they always see growth in my channel. For instance, things like your background, your lighting, your editing, all of those contribute to your watch time and your viewership, and that will lead to more YouTube ad revenue. Now the third and final step that I'm working on is to be able to be real and candid with my subscribers. I truly believe that YouTube is much more than just gathering information from someone. It's about building a relationship between the creator and the subscribers. And so over time, I'm hoping to build up a backlog of videos that will be able to provide me passive income once I'm able to monetize my channel. Alright guys, getting into the second source of passive income that I plan on developing in 2020, and that is affiliate marketing commissions. Affiliate marketing can be an excellent source of passive income because it generates tons of cash while requiring such a little amount of effort on your part. For instance, look at Ryan Scribner on YouTube. He's built up a business completely from scratch, based completely on affiliate marketing, and it generates him thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars per month. Essentially how it works is a company will allow you to post an affiliate link on your social media page to be able to advertise one of the products that they're selling. And if someone decides to purchase a product using your link, then you'll get a small commission on that. And this business model is called a cost per sale, or a CPS model. In fact, Amazon actually has their own affiliate program, and it's called Amazon Associates, and they'll actually pay you a commission of 4 to 10% depending on the product category. But there is also a different way to make money through affiliate marketing, and it's somewhat easier, and that is through a cost per click business model, or a CPC model. For example, if you head over to the website called ClickBank, you'll find tons of products in many different categories that people want advertised, and anytime someone clicks on the link in your social media page, you'll actually get a commission just for the click. So it's pretty awesome because people don't even have to purchase that product, and you still get a small commission just for them visiting that link. And the crazy thing about ClickBank is that their commissions range from 1 to 75%. So it's a lot higher than Amazon Associates if you do make a sale. Now, thankfully, YouTube does allow creators to post these affiliate links in the descriptions of their videos. And there are 4 key steps that I'm going to take to be able to maximize this source of passive income within 2020. Now, the first thing that I'm going to do, and that is most important, is to continue building up my following while I search for products that are actually relevant and that I like. With affiliate marketing, it's very important to only post links of products that you would actually use yourself, rather than trying to make a quick buck off your subscribers. Trying to take the shortcut to riches rarely works out, and I personally believe that it's much better to build a stronger relationship with your following that eventually will start monetizing a lot better. Now, the second step that I'm going to take is to apply for the Amazon Affiliates program. And if I do get accepted into an affiliate program, the third thing that I'm going to do is to build an Amazon affiliate store. So that will contain a lot of my products that I do use under a single link. That way, when I'm posting in the descriptions of my videos, I'm not going to be cluttered up with many different links that people really don't want to read through. I just have everything in one single location, and all of my items are there. And of course, the fourth step is to post that link in the video and repeat for every single video. And I can guarantee you, if you're a YouTuber and you're taking advantage of this technique, you're going to do very well in affiliate marketing, whether it be through Amazon Associates or ClickBank or whatever you choose. All right, guys, coming in with the third passive income source that I plan on continuing to develop in 2020, and that is my dividend income. Dividends are a purely passive approach to make insane amounts of money just by investing in the stock market. Out of everything that I'm talking about today, dividends are by far the most passive source of income that you can ever encounter. Just the fact that you can buy into a company's stock within about 5 minutes time and then start receiving dividends for the rest of your life is absolutely mind-boggling to me. So as you might have seen from my earlier video, I am currently earning dividend income, and I plan on building that up from $62 per month where I'm currently at. And the amount of dividend income that I do receive each month is actually increasing on its own, because the companies that I buy are increasing their dividends every single year. But of course, by feeding the portfolio regularly and continually buying these dividend stocks, I'm going to be able to increase my dividend income a lot faster than it would on its own. And this is especially true if a recession happens in 2020, which I'm really hoping for actually, because then your dividend yields go up when the stock prices go down. So overall, my goal is to be able to achieve $100 per month in passive dividend income by the end of 2020. And in order to be able to achieve that $100 per month with an average portfolio dividend yield of 2.5%, I'll need to have $48,000 in my account. And the first step that I'm going to take to be able to achieve this number in my portfolio is to be able to deposit at least 2 to 3 grand per month into my portfolio account. From then on, with step number 2, I'll be able to choose which dividend stocks I want to buy, and it'll probably be those that are on sale offering very good yields. And as you guys know, I do love Canadian bank stocks because they offer great yields along with safety in the industry. So I do hope to buy into those more in 2020 if they do go at a discount. But really, this strategy should apply for any type of stock that offers a great dividend yield, a safe payout ratio, and then some good growth to it as well. Alright guys, now the fourth source of passive income that I plan on continuing to build in 2020 is my interest income. Now, I'm personally a big fan of piling my money into a high interest savings account online, rather than putting my money into a GIC which is locked in for a certain period of time, or even into a bond that produces consistent income, but it does vary and fluctuate in market value. And my goal in 2020 is to be able to maintain an interest rate in my high interest savings accounts above 2%. Now, of course, this will vary with interest rates and it's far out of my control, but what I'm trying to say is I'm looking for the highest interest rate possible out there that I can take advantage of. Now, currently, I do have my online savings account with Tangerine over here in Canada, and they are offering me a promotional interest rate of 2.75%, which is a lot higher than any other bank that you'll find out there, but it is expiring in February of 2020. Now, as soon as that expires, my plan is to jump ship over to EQ Bank, which is offering an interest rate of 2.3% consistent. It's not even a promotional rate, and they've been stuck at that rate for a long time now, so it seems pretty safe. Now, switching gears here, I personally don't have a goal for the amount of interest income that I want to make in 2020. It's just all about the amount of money that I plan on putting into investments and where I save my excess cash. For example, if I find a dividend stock that I want to buy, I'm not going to keep my money in that high interest savings account earning me just over 2% when I could be putting it in that dividend stock earning me over 4%. So the high interest savings account is more so just a means of keeping up with inflation while I look for other better investments. But I will make sure to take advantage of it all that I can by minimizing the amount of money in my daily checking accounts and maximizing the amount of money within my high interest savings account for all of the money that remains that's not in investments. Alright guys, coming in with number 5, I saved the biggest and best source of passive income for last, and that is rental property income. Rental property investing is one of the best ways that you can get into investing with fairly low risk, and you can still make a ton of money from it. And to be totally honest with you guys, I have been highly influenced by my parents in terms of rental property investing being the go-to investment. Throughout my entire life of saving nearly all of my money, I've built up a decent sized nest egg to be able to purchase a rental property in the near future here. On top of having a lot of money to spend on real estate at the moment, I do need a space for YouTube as well, and so that's why I'm looking for a place for myself. It's nearly always preferable to own your own home rather than to rent throughout your life because of the appreciation value of the property. So my goal of 2020 is to purchase my first rental property and start earning rental income, and these are the steps how I'm going to do it. Now, step number 1 is to read about the topic and learn more about rental property investing. For those of you out there who don't know about Bigger Pockets, the book on rental property investing, I would highly recommend it. I just read it this year and I learned a ton. Now, step number 2 is to determine your criteria and what you're looking for. Now, in my case, I'm actually looking for duplexes or legal up-down homes that will allow me the flexibility to live in one suite while I rent out the other. Now, step number 3 is to hook up with a real estate agent and start looking at properties. I can't stress this enough because it will take several weeks, if not months, to find the right property. Now, step number 4 is to do the cash flow calculations for a rental property. You want to make sure that what you're buying is actually going to make you money in the long run and not cost you more money than you thought initially. Through looking around at many properties, you'll generally find that some are overvalued, and then occasionally you'll find a very undervalued property, and that's when you have to strike while the iron is hot. And finally, step number 5 is to actually either live in that property or fully rent it out, or do what I'm planning on doing and house hack, so you move into one portion of that suite and then you rent out the other suite, and that way you can still earn rental income while you're living in the house. So those are all of my steps for earning rental income as a passive income source in 2020. And if you guys did stick around until the end, definitely let me know in the comments down below what you thought about these passive income sources, what I may have missed, and what you guys have in your own lives going for you. I would be very interested to hear. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching the video. I really do appreciate it. If you did enjoy or gained any value from this video whatsoever, be sure to smash the like button for me. Also, if you haven't already, definitely consider subscribing down below for more content on personal finance, business, and investing in the near future. And I'll see you guys next time.